Hey guys, I'm Hunter with Nelson Insurance. I'm going to get into a hidden gem of an insurance company for trucking. I'm going to talk about who they take, what they want to see from the carriers that they're insuring, what they offer over most people do, and why you guys have probably never heard of Midwest Family Mutual. So first, I'll just get into why you guys have probably never heard of Midwest Family Mutual. The reason is just because they are very, very exclusive on the agencies they work with. They are only in the Midwest, as you guys can tell by the name. They are a mutual company, which usually means a little bit smaller. They're not your nationally known insurance company like your Progressive and Geico's and all those guys. But they have a fantastic trucking product out there. What I've just noticed is a lot of agents they don't know how to submit business to them. They do things a little bit differently. You're not going to go get a quote like Progressive on the phone. You can't just call Midwest Mutual, hey, I want a trucking quote, and they'll give you numbers right there on the phone. So they do things a little bit old school. And I think that's prevented a lot of, well, I know it's prevented a lot of agents from actually trying to submit business to them. And honestly, we've had them for 3 years and haven't really tried because it is a little bit old school and we got to fill a lot more forms and stuff like that. But we're working with them to really get that process tightened up and modernized where we can start offering this product to a lot of our truckers. So that's a little bit why you guys haven't heard a whole lot about them. They're a little bit limited on who they write for trucking clients. A lot of agents aren't aware of it, and there's not a lot of agents who have Midwest Family Mutual. Now, who's going to be a good fit for Midwest Family Mutual? And I'll show you guys here at the end, a little bit towards the end of the video, on why you want to get with Midwest Family Mutual. They are going to write your livestock haulers, so that is huge. They love, love, love livestock. They'll do reefer, flatbed, dry van, all that type of stuff, hopper bottom, all that. They're not going to take your hazmat, your oversized, your dirt, sand, and gravel, those kind of commodities, okay? They don't want you to be 100% over the road. They want you to be having most of your miles in the Midwest. And when I say that, they're doing anything from Ohio to Arizona, Nevada, kind of up there, but towards the middle there, right? They don't want to see Texas, New York, Florida, California, those really tough states that a lot of insurance companies, frankly, don't like. So that's kind of their deal there. They'll do 750 miles for radius on you guys, no problem. They like the local stuff as much as possible, okay? So they like that stuff, but you can still do 750. And if you're doing 1,000 miles, but sticking mainly in the States and the Midwest, and you're not hitting any of the crazy states like I just said, they'll make exceptions for you guys. Pretty much no problem. There's what it sounds like. And so that's a little bit what they like to see. It's, again, no new drivers, kind of the basic stuff. They want you to have 3 years in business, no new drivers, no new companies. And it's on those lines. They want the best of the best. But if your trucking company is run like the best of the best and you got some experience to show that, then these guys can be really good. And some examples that I have to kind of prove all this to you guys here is that I've actually competed against Midwest Family Mutual multiple times, even though we have them. And a lot of guys from Midwest Family Mutual are going to Midwest Family Mutual from your big names. Obviously, your progressives. I see them beating Great West a decent amount if they're qualifying for Midwest Family Mutual. They're moving from Century, and these guys usually went to a Midwest Family Mutual are staying there until, I don't know, you have a really bad year and get non-renewed with $1 million in claims or something crazy, right? Or a couple bad years. Or, yeah, I mean, that's about it. I really don't see people kind of leaving Midwest Family Mutual hardly at all, honestly. So they're very, very competitive. I've seen that happen. I had a guy who switched from Great West to Midwest Family Mutual, saving $9,000. I'm like, holy crap, yeah, that's pretty dang good. And so they'll do that. They've got your combined deductibles. They'll do your pollution, general liability, umbrella, literally everything all in one. And they got those perks too, like I was saying. Pollution, they'll do collision between your vehicles, which almost nobody's covered, whether you know it or not. They'll insure all the stuff inside the truck where you might get nickel and dimed when it comes to claims time. That your personal property inside the truck's not covered. The electrical equipment's not covered. Anything along those lines. And then just the basic stuff there too, like loan and lease gap coverage, rental reimbursement, all that type of stuff, right? So your coverage is going to be really, really dang good with Midwest Family Mutual. They're competitive. and all that type of stuff. So just kind of a hidden gem. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I just sat down with my rep from Midwest Mutual and I go, man, this is really something a lot of people don't know about, because I hear just a lot of truckers saying, gosh, I just am stuck with such and such company. This is the only option. I've only heard there's 2 insurance companies that'll take me in Pennsylvania. I've heard that multiple times. I can't do anything here, right? So there are more insurance company options than you guys realize here. And Midwest Mutual, I think, is a really good one. They love your ag guys. You're hauling grain, livestock, anything like that. They love that stuff. So they're really good. To give you guys kind of an idea on how to get a quote from, you guys got to call an agent who has access to Midwest Mutual. We're in South Dakota, and there's really not a whole lot of agents here that have them. So we have them. I know a couple other ones who do have them too in the local, or just in the Midwest, I mean. And to give you guys kind of an idea what that looks like, so you're gonna need a full kind of list of stuff for your quote. You're gonna need IFTAs. You're gonna need loss runs. It's not gonna be a call over the phone in a day, get a quote. But these guys can turn around a quote in a couple days for you, no problem. And yeah, I mean, it's just kind of what I wanted to show you guys there. So if you guys want to get a quote Midwest Mutual, feel free to reach out to me. We're licensed in all states, pretty much from about 40 states, so we can do just about anywhere. We can give you guys a Midwest Mutual quote, and especially if you guys are hauling agricultural products like livestock, grain, anything on those lines, they're gonna love it. They're gonna be dirt cheap, but really, really good. So once again, just wanted to show you guys that. I'm Hunter with Nelson Insurance Agency. We're out of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Like I was saying, we're in 40-some states that will insure. And my contact information will be in the bio down below. If you guys got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If you guys want to learn more about this or just really any other insurance companies, because I can tell you guys about another 5 insurance companies just like this who are going to be really stellar. Like 10-4, I've got a video with them. Go watch that thing. They are another hidden gem, guys. They are our largest truck insurance company in all of our agency, and that's beat the big names. So they're killer. Go look at these hidden gems. There's a lot of guys out there who are really good, and I'm not giving you guys fly-by-night insurance companies by any means. Midwest Mutual is A-rated, been around since 1891. Killer option, okay? So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe so I can keep telling you guys information like this, help you guys out. Insurance getting expensive. Seeing if I can help you guys save some money. I don't care if it's through our agency or through your current agent. Whatever I can do to help you guys, that's what I'm trying to do. So appreciate it.